calling all creative problem solvers, pioneers, big thinkers, the groundbreakers, and science's greatest caretakers. The ones who stare down failure and say, not today. The ones who connect people and ideas and technology to engineer greatness. This is our moment to stand up and make a difference. Our world is living moment to moment in need of that next big breakthrough. So let's come together and do the things they say can't be done. Let's engineer hope for those who need it most and bring world-changing innovations to all of humanity. Because this is our moment to stand up, our moment to engineer ambitiously.
Self-driving vehicles will change how humans travel. Faster, more reliable, safer. They promise a future that will protect what matters most, the passenger. But getting there is not easy. The development of autonomous vehicles is an iterative process, one that gathers exponentially growing sensor data from test vehicles worldwide to continuously improve advanced driver assistance systems and constantly train artificial intelligence algorithms. Petabytes of data must move to thousands of GPU and CPU-powered AI servers and test stands across diverse environments, then archived for long-term retention. These demanding workflows push traditional storage systems to their limits. Dell Technologies simplifies and accelerates your complex automotive workflows. Our storage solutions are built on powerful hardware, software, and data management technologies. More than 70% of the top 20 automotive suppliers rely on Dell EMC PowerScale 1FS for ADAS and autonomous driving development, translating into proven capabilities that solve your workload challenges. PowerScale, managed by PowerScale 1FS, can predictably scale capacity and performance, expanding easily as training data from sensors grow from terabytes to exabytes. Each node added to a 1FS cluster increases aggregate capacity and performance without disruption, providing extreme concurrency that scales to millions of I/O operations per second. PowerScale is built for maximum modularity. It includes high-performance all-flash nodes ideal for AI, hybrid nodes ideal for hardware-in-the-loop and software-in-the-loop simulations, and affordable long-term storage, either within the same cluster or with Dell EMC ECS object storage. Built-in automatic tiering and archiving features eliminate the need to move data around, saving you time. Easily expand your ADAS development to the cloud with PowerScale for Google Cloud. Additionally, PowerScale for Multi-Cloud offers simultaneous access to leading public cloud services. Take advantage of the best services each cloud has to offer, and even leverage spot pricing for GPU and CPU-powered compute, without vendor lock-in or substandard file performance. Whether your sensor data is on-premises or in the cloud, PowerScale makes it effortless to manage and copy data across workflows using tools such as Cloud IQ and Data IQ. This robust data management system simplifies tagging and searching across large sensor data footprints and enables peak storage system performance. Power your ADAS development journey with Dell Technologies and realize a future that keeps travelers safe.
Mobility has come a long way, and now we are here on the doorstep of a new era, autonomous driving. Powered by D-Space, providing innovative technology for your next step. To cope with the infinite possibilities of real-world traffic situations, data collected from all sensors drives your development. With the help of artificial intelligence, we use this data to create an extremely detailed virtual world, which is required to validate autonomous driving functions. A world that challenges a digital twin of the car with every thinkable situation. We start with a base scenario that the autonomous car can master. Then we unleash complexity and allow for changes like weather, pedestrians, or traffic. And smart algorithms create a multitude of variations for this scenario. To explore the myriad of simulated worlds, we use high-performance cloud computing with virtually unlimited resources. And finally, the key learnings return as updates to the real cars in the real world. DSpace offers you consistent testing conditions and seamless validation for your specific requirements, no matter what part of autonomous driving you are working on. To create a car that meets all safety requirements, we provide you the support you need to prepare for homologation. So let's bring autonomous driving on the roads. DSpace, your partner in simulation and validation.
Within a generation, traditional automobiles will be overtaken by electric and autonomous vehicles that connect wirelessly to an advanced external infrastructure. The benefits will be numerous, making travel safer, more productive, and more enjoyable. This new era is built on far-reaching innovation from companies like yours. You're pushing sensor technologies farther using radar, LiDAR, and high-resolution cameras. Advances in battery technologies are reducing costs and enabling greater driving range. Faster charging times are bringing reality closer to customer expectations. The roadway itself may one day be part of the charging process. With the deployment of 5G, new capabilities are linking vehicles to an advanced communication and mobility infrastructure. However, expanded connectivity also presents daunting challenges that depend on cybersecurity tools that harden vehicle systems against hackers. Your key technologies overlap with Keysight test capabilities: 5G, millimeter wave, electric powertrain, and high-speed networking. Confidence in these technologies comes from new and better approaches to testing in 4 areas: connectivity, intelligence, power, and security. Connectivity includes Vehicle-to-Everything, or CV2X. Keysight was the first to introduce an integrated solution that supports the 5G automotive roadmap, leveraging our leadership in 5G test and measurement. This solution can also emulate traffic scenarios with multiple vehicles and congestion. To accelerate the validation of advanced driver assistance systems, Keysight's autonomous drive emulator brings the road to the lab. Its highly realistic scenarios exercise sensors, electronic control units, and AI algorithms as an integrated whole. This enables developers to confidently test their designs and then focus on the debugging and fine-tuning of system behavior. Keysight's acquisition of SignLab provided deep expertise in the testing of batteries, inverters, charging systems, and charging infrastructure. SignLab's software-intensive solutions enable power engineers to more easily verify interoperability between numerous vehicle implementations and region-specific charging infrastructure standards. The number of combinations can be in the hundreds, and the requirements are constantly changing. A software subscription keeps the SignLab test suite current with the latest standards. The integration of SignLab software with the PathWave Lab Operations platform makes us uniquely capable of designing labs equipped with complete solutions for the testing of battery cells, modules, and packs. PathWave also enables effective management of the overall workflow. Ixia, another Keysight acquisition, brings technologies to enable new cybersecurity solutions for connected vehicles. Keysight's automotive cybersecurity tools help you test for vulnerabilities, and they also offer suggestions for closing them end-to-end, from the car to the data center. As you create what comes next, Keysight is ready with test solutions that will accompany you from concept to reality. Our goal is to help you excel and accelerate in those areas that are redefining future mobility. It's all about getting there first and realizing your vision of mobility.
Autonomous cars use different sensors to understand the environment and make the right decisions. Validation of such complex sensor fusion systems is challenging and requires state-of-the-art tools. Xylon's Lodge Recorder Automotive Hill Video Logger is the right tool and a single-box solutions for multiple tasks. The Lodge Recorder connects to all of the car's networks through native interfaces and with no conversion boxes. Raw test data are collected non-intrusively and fully transparent to all of the car's systems. Road recordings can be played back from the same box, in most realistic hardware-in-the-loop simulations. The Lodge Recorder brings the test vehicle sensors to the developer's desk. Moreover, it also connects as a smart I/O box to virtual simulation environments and enables hill injection of synthetically generated simulation data into real hardware ECUs. The Logic Recorder enables data conversions between synthetic and real domains, and vice versa. It also enables simultaneous data playback and recording, with a very low system latency.
The Logic Recorder is fully developed and designed in Xylem. It is based on programmable FPGA chip technology, and in comparison to competing PC-based solutions, it provides unmatched timestamp precision, low power consumption, and ultimate flexibility and configurability. At this time, users can choose between more than 20 already available I/O modules for native automotive interfaces. We continuously add new boards for industry-accepted interfaces. In case of special user demands, Xylem can develop any missing part on request, either through design of custom modules or by modifying existing functionality by changing hardware, software, FPGA firmware, basically anything.
The Logic Recorder is very compact and made for harsh automotive environments. It has already been tested at some of the planet Earth's harshest locations. In very complex test configurations that require more I/O channels and more storage bandwidth, multiple Logic Recorder boxes can be stacked. All boxes are perfectly time synchronized and behave as a single unit that can be controlled remotely, even globally, through mobile data networks. The Logic Recorder data logger works either in operator or self-controlled mode. The advanced dashboard enables data preview, marking, and sophisticated triggering and filtering. All of these features enable data pre-processing and setup of precisely tailored datasets. To learn more about this product, please contact us and visit our dedicated website.
The pace of digitalization is unprecedented, and it's completely transforming our world, harnessing new technologies across the landscape of industry to fundamentally change the way we live. Electric vehicles will be in constant communication with everything around them, eliminating congestion and powering safer, smarter, autonomous transportation. It's all enabled by digital threads that turn silo data into connected disciplines and processes. These threads form the neural network of a digital twin, a virtual entity which mirrors the physical world, turning data into insight to continuously design, build, and optimize throughout the product and production lifecycle. A continuous verification and validation framework supports electrification and autonomous vehicle development across all engineering domains to ensure safety, hit zero-emission targets, and increase maximum range. The impact of decisions are integrated on all levels to significantly reduce development cycles while increasing innovation, customization, and reliability. Meanwhile, IoT and analytics enrich performance models with real-world data throughout for continuous optimization. Siemens can help you achieve rapid digital transformation, powered by the world's most comprehensive digital twin. There's no need to dream about the future. It's already here.
It was impressive because there are a lot of solutions, not only in terms of hardware, also in terms of software on virtual simulations.
Actually, it's the first time for me to this conference. I think it's really huge. There's a lot of information. This is really good. We can do a nice connection with suppliers, partners, and so on.
It's interesting. It's quite fun to see all the different players and see basically the different maturity that different actors have reached.
For us, it's one of the most important shows during the year, especially here in Europe. Our customers here from all over Europe coming here, so it's one of the most important things, yeah.
The expo, yes, is great, yes. A lot of companies, partners we know, and yes, giving us a lot of contacts.
For us, it's great to meet everyone. We get to see a lot of faces that we know, but also a lot of new faces and new companies.
This is a really important conference for us because we have a lot of customers here in Europe. It's really great if you can get multiple people and multiple prospective companies to come in and see you in one location. So it's very useful.
The show's been great. I mean, this is where people come together, right, to see the latest and greatest.
I think it's really unique, and this makes the people come, and it's really interesting for us. Yeah.